Friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to connect Bluetooth on ptron smartwatch from Vivo mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly you have to move on setting. After you have been moved on setting, just scroll on the down and move on this network and internet. After that, here you can not network and internet, you have to turn on the bluetooth and devices. So turn on the bluetooth. When you turn on, just click here on the bluetooth, and here you have to click this pair new devices. So if you want to connect ptron smartwatch, you can connect from here. Okay, wait for a minute. Here ptron smartwatch has came. Just click on ptron smartwatch and click on pair. This ptron watch will be connect successfully. Okay, you just need to click on pair. So if you want to connect the ptron smartwatch audio, okay, if you want to connect it, what at first you need to do is that you have to turn on here. Okay, just click on turn on. Okay, when it will be turned on, no, it will be like this one here, it will be blue color. Okay, when you turn on, wait just for a minute, I'll show you. It's not coming, I don't know why. On the upside, see here, it will be in blue color. When you off, it will not be in blue color. This is the off option. So by moving here, you have to turn on this one. Okay, just click on turn on, then you will be able to find here ptron audio. If you want to connect, just click on ptron audio and click on pair option. This bluetooth will be connect successfully. Okay, so friends, I hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.